Hello everyone, I am Shavantika, legal intern at Lexis and Company for the month of June, and today in this video we'll understand what are the type of mergers, what are the major type of mergers basically. So let's start with what is a merger. So merger is basically a way for the companies to expand their reach, expand into new segments or gain new market share. It is just a fusion of two companies on broadly equal terms into forming of a new legal entity itself. So there are basically five type of major mergers, that is conglomerate, congeneric, market extension, horizontal and vertical merger. We will start today with conglomerate merger. So let's understand what it is. This is a merger between two or more companies which are engaged in an unrelated business at all. The firms will operate in different industries altogether or in different geographical region. A pure conglomerate involves two firms that have nothing in common. A mixed conglomerate, on the other hand, takes place between the organization that, while operating in the unrelated business activity, is actually trying to gain a product or market extension through the merger. So the company with an overlapping factor will only merge if it makes sense from a shareholder's wealth perspective. That is, if the companies create synergy, which include enhancing the value or the performance or cost saving. A conglomerate merger was formed when the Walt Disney Company merged with the American Broadcasting Company way back in 1995. Now let's come to congeneric merger. A congeneric merger is also known as the product extension merger. In this type of merger, basically, it is the combining of the two or more companies that operate in the same market or in the same sector with overlapping factors such as technology, marketing, product processes, or R&D. A product extension merger is achieved when a new product line from one company is added to the existing product line of the other company. So when two companies became one under the product extension, they are able to gain access to a larger group of consumers, and thus larger market share is available to them. Let's skip now to market extension. This type of merger occurs between companies that sell same product but compete in a different market altogether. Companies that engage in the market extension merger basically seek gain to access of a bigger market and a bigger client base, basically to extend their market. When we talk about a horizontal merger, it occurs between companies in the same industry. The merger is typically part of consolidation between the two or more companies offering same product or same service. Such mergers are common in the industries with fewer firms, okay, and the goal is to create a larger business with a greater market share and economies of sales, since the competition among the fewer companies tend to be higher. Now let's talk about vertical merger. In a vertical merger, when two companies that produce part or services of a product merger, the union refers to the vertical merger. A vertical merger may occur when two companies operating at different levels within the same industry supply chain combine their operations. Therefore, such mergers are done basically to increase the synergies achieved through the cost reduction, which results from merging with the one or more supply companies. Alright, one of the most well-known example of vertical merger took place back in 2000 when the internet provider America Online, that is AOL, combined with the media conglomerate Time Warner. I hope you understand these major mergers through this video. Thank you so much.